Hello, my name is Amanda Duncan, and I am an early literacy reading specialist for the Houston ISD Reading Academy. Today, I will show you how to use kinesthetic activities to teach phonemic awareness. Kinesthetic activities use gestures or movements to represent individual sounds and words and help students to retain information while having fun learning. In this kinesthetic activity, we will use our arm to sound out words. Begin by extending your left arm in front of you. Then say the word you want to sound out. As you say each sound, use 2 fingers from your right hand to tap out each sound in the word, gradually progressing from your shoulder to your wrist. Then say the word again while sweeping your 2 fingers along your left arm. Let's get started. The word is boat. I will tap out the sounds in the word. B-O-T. I will sweep my fingers along my left arm to blend the sounds. B-O-T. Boat. Let's do another one. The word is chip. I will tap out the sounds in the word. Ch-ip. I will sweep my fingers along my arm to blend the sounds. Chip. Chip. Now let's try one together. Say the word fox. Fox. Now tap out the sounds in the word. Fox. Now sweep your fingers along your arm to blend the word. Fox. Fox. Excellent job blending the sounds in fox. It is important to remember when using kinesthetic activities to sound out words to focus on the sounds and not the letters. Kinesthetic activities help students to retain more information while having fun learning. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to use kinesthetic activities with me.